Hey guys, welcome to today's masterclass. My name is Nathan Short, if you've never danced with me before, and today I'm coming at you from Sydney in Australia. Today's theme is all the feels. Again, the first one went so well, I thought, let's try another dramatic mix of music with some awesome, epic, expansive motion. Let's tell a story. Here we go.
Take the next step in brilliant color. Attract more on the dance floor. Or dance smarter with Colorform. Whoever you are, there's a program just for you. Support this channel. Head to movewithcolor.com to get started today.
All right, let's start by taking our legs nice and wide, sinking down deep. This style of dance really requires you to have a nice, strong control of your center of gravity, and that starts by going nice and deep and wide. Shoulders back. Nice. I'm gonna challenge your balance straight up. Check this out. Leaning onto the right leg, pick up your left, and show me how well you can balance. Point your toes. Hold it. Use your butt to hold it. Bring it down. Relax. Whew. Can we try one more of those? A little bit of conditioning in this style. Big stretch. And down. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna do a jump and pop into it like this. Jump, pop, down. Again, jump, pop. So we're kind of landing in on one. We jump and land. Boom. Can we go a little faster? Jump, pop. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Excellent. All right, guys. We're gonna start to add on from here. Check it out. I'll show you. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, like we're putting something down into the water. Boom, da, boom, push down. You can feel the resistance from the buoyancy in the water. Push with drama. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold here, hold here. Notice that build. You need to get this count, then that one. Don't go straight down, you'll miss a count. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, nice and deep in the legs. Okay, we're gonna practice turning over the right side. You travel, 1, 2, 3. Take your time, take it back. 1, 2, 3. So I know we all don't have a lot of room today. You might be doing this in your bedroom. So practice control. Practice almost turning on the spot. Right up on the balls of the feet. Keep your chin up. Nice and proud. Make sure your eyes are forward so you know where you are in space. All right, we're gonna add one of those on. From the top, we go. Down, 2, up, down, turn. That's pretty quick, it's quite explosive, so use the momentum from that drop. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. My arms go up because it gives me power and balance. Ready? Let's do it. Do you feel pretty and dramatic already? 5, 6, 1. Like you're dancing in a Sia music video, you've got like half the face on. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. Beautiful. One last time. 5, 6. Okay. Let's get dramatic with our reaches now. Right hand to me. Left hand. Right hand. Now the song's changing. It's kind of shifting a little bit. Can you go more aggressive? Just aggressive. Not necessarily faster. Not yet. Hit it hard, and when you reach out your hand, bend the knee. Nice and strong. Like if someone was to push you, they couldn't push back. You won't lose your footing. See the space between your fingers. Guys, nice. 4 times, faster. Awesome. Picking up your left leg, you ready? So we push. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push. You're jumping onto the right leg as you do this. Extend. So you're lifting your left leg, landing on the right leg. Boom. So push off the right leg. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Nice. Faster, faster. Woo! Feel that energy in the song, the aggression. Extend. Like you've got your hands locked with someone's and you're pushing, push. Lifts. Yes. Yes, again, I like this part of the song. All right, from the top, shall we? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, down, turn, and what? Boom, boom, boom. So you can use the tempo in his lyrics to cut the kind of rappy lyrics to help with the da, the da, the da, the da. 5, 6, 7. Now if you can, almost do a little clicking of the feet. It looks very pretty. Very Billy Elliot. From the top, whole thing. Love that drama in the music to pause. Reach. Awesome. Now, see how you land with the left leg out? We're going to take that weight for the next move. So just practice this. Lunging. Your left leg behind you. Reach. Ah. Like you're the bad guy in a movie and you've got a skull in your hand. Push it. Yes. Hold. All right, let's soften down to that aggression for a moment, shall we? All the songs are the same speed here, guys. Just a different feel on them. All right? Let's try this from the top. Ready? 1. Nice and soft here. Reach it. Push and extend. Nice. All right. Last couple moves here, guys. So from here, we push out. I'll come with you here. Pick up your left leg. Turn. That is a pirouette. So just pluck the foot off the floor and turn over the right shoulder. Ready? Boom. Hold here, hold here. Once we get there, we turn, we reach. Check it out. Boom, boom. Take me to jail. Drop down. Okay? Don't lose some of that emotion. Take me to prison. So you can look down for a little extra drama. Guys, from the extension, so extend, just practice it slowly, turn, hand, don't let go. All right, the lyrics is where this routine really comes to life. Try it again. Reaching, yeah, I'll come with you. Down, turn, push, push, prison, drop. All right, guys. From the beginning, nice and soft. Let's practice it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and push. 2, 3, 4. Lifts. Extend. Turn. Push, push, prison, and. Yes! I need one more move to learn. Check this out. Sweep. Freeze. Grab the wrist. Someone pulls it to the other side. And then suddenly both your hands represent the two hands. So they're facing each other and they extend away. Yeah? Try a little bit faster, guys. That's what we're gonna connect this move to. Boom, boom, grab, turn. All right, guys, the music rises and so do we. From the top, here we go. Feel the explosion. Lifts. Prison. Oh! Yes! Step touch with me here, guys. Oh, I love when we go from like the acoustic version to the dum-dum version. Hopefully you got a smile on your face here, guys. We do. Everything from the top. I want you to try and make it as big, as dramatic, as extended, as powerful as you can. Can we do a big jump into count 1? Ready? 5, 6. Woo! Don't let go. What's that? Go again, go, go. Can you see how the moves start to connect to the words here, guys? Hold me tight. Hold. All right, guys, stay here, stay here. How are we doing with that? Woo! I think we've got another minute left. Maybe you're starting to get your head around it. Maybe you need to replay the video. That's fine. Step touch. I want you to really energize your body here. You're much bouncier now compared to the rest of the class. I'm not gonna try singing. I'll ruin it for you. All right, hold here. A little combination. Breathe and collapse. Just a little something. Now make every vertebrae in your spine twist one at a time. Are you ready? From the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold me tight. Don't let go. Yes! Here we go, guys. How about we really build the energy? Run it, run it, run it like there's something inside that just wants to come out. Run it! Ready! I just wanna be part of your... Come on, push! One more to finish, one more to finish. Come on, all together. Scoop, turn. Can you give me one more of the arm combo? One more of the arm combo. Damn. Well done, guys. Nice work.
Thanks for joining me for today's masterclass. Jump into another video or head to movewithcolor.com to learn how to dance your way. I'll see you next time.